up here. And today I got the Epos B20. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this, talk about this, see what this thing can do here, do a sound test too, and yeah, let's get into it. So, alright, I got goals today, you got goals today. Throw them things up for your boy. Let's get it started. Streaming microphone B20 Epos, and I got my MacBook, so I'm gonna hook this up to here and do a sound test on it later. But for now, let's go over it. Alright, it's by Epos, and it is a B20 streaming microphone. Studio broadcast quality microphone, high quality design built with a sleek design, designed for gamers and live streaming. And the only thing this contains is the microphone and the USB. And it is for the PC, Mac, and the PS4, and also for the PS5, which is awesome. Okay, that's a bonus for me. Created for those who insist on excellence from their audio devices, we craft solutions with high quality material that are built to last, providing the perfect balance between excellence, audio, and design. The real magic happens when users experience the purity of sound, the clarity of speech, and the difference it makes to anything they set out to achieve. Alright, so here's the mic itself. It says crystal clear sound, hassle-free experience, and high quality materials. Alright, now let's open it up. And here it is. Ooh, nice small mic. And look, it has a little fold right here. Okay. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Got a nice little fold. Small, lightweight, not too heavy. I like that. You have the USB, and it's actually USB Type-C. And not only it being a USB Type-C, it's actually a long USB cord, so you're gonna have some travel distance. Also comes with a screw, and the screw you can use to hang places. Also it comes with it's a quick guide, features and support, warranty, and extras. Alright, here's the additional mount for it. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so now for the mic itself. So here it is, here's the brand, Epos. Alright, so as you see, it says volume, just the volume dial, and also here right here is the mute button. To mute it, you have a gain dial, and also you have the different options or how you want things to sound. So you have stereo, which is the two circles right here, look like my nuts. This is pretty much the basic. The direction, when it's pretty much more than one guest. So if you have more than one guest, than yourself, this is good best for use for omnidirection, so everyone can get their voice input into the mic, which will sound nice and clear. Cardioid, sound like a disease. You will put it on this setting when you're recording alone, and bi-directional when you have one guest. And as you see, this is two circles, so they're titties. Alright, so with that, this is pretty much more than one guest. So you're on one side and the guest is on the opposite side, so that gives you, input into the mic. Alright, that's pretty much it. On top of here, it's just a design. So next, let's put this on. You pretty much take the screw out. Alright, so you want to take the screw and put it in from the bottom. So it's going to look like this. Then you just screw it on here. Easily, do a little finger screwing. That's what she said. And that's pretty much it. So now you got the mic, you got a stand, you can talk into it, you know what I'm saying? All right, so now with that being said, The best thing to do now is just to hook it up. You're gonna need a USB, just stick it in the back. And also, another cool thing about this is that it actually has headphone jack too. Yo. All right, so now we got that working, right? All right, so I'm gonna play the song. I think I'm gonna speak into here just to see how the audio works. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have some fun. All right, let's get it started, yo.
Man, stop playing. Hey, my boy, so you ready? You gonna hit the thing for them folks one time? Movie. Viral, stop playing with my point.
Drake on her. So, she make it clap, clap, clap.
She make it clap, clap, clap. Hey, She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. Hey, Hey, she make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. All right, this number 2. This for that battle coming up. You know what I'm saying? How to go? To keep you by my side, I wanna let me hold you down. What you trying to do? Right by my side, I wanna hold you down. Let me hold you. Like a man supposed to. I'm trying to show you. Hey. Oh, baby, baby, you never go wrong if you let me hold me. How to go? To keep you by my side, I wanna let me hold you down. What you trying to do? All right, last but not least, man, we can't leave the big dog out, the big homie out. Hold on, y'all. Y'all already know what I'm talking about. The legend itself. The legend, man. These two ain't got nothing on this dude right here. I see DC college, ayy. I see DC, ayy. I see DC. I see DC college. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I think you guys get the gist of it. Alright, so as you see here, it do work for the PS5. I ain't really trying to hook up all that to my PS5, you know what I'm saying? In case you playing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, stop playing with your boy. You already know I got a day one, so yes, I do got it. So, hey, it do work for the PS5, work for the PS4, Xbox One, Switch, I'm sure. Like, whatever consoles that you need to stream with, it works with it. Also works with a PC. So, again, if you need to use it for your PC or, again, if you needed to use it for streaming purposes on your console, it works easy on this USB. I just plugged it in. It started right up for me. I didn't need to download anything. I didn't need to set up anything. I just plugged it in. It worked automatically for me. So easy to use. It's a USB streaming microphone. Good. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say about it. So what do you guys think? Simple. This was not that expensive. And what do you guys think? Is it worth getting? Not? Let me know down below. I actually have my Yeti. My Yeti. I might replace the Yeti with this because the Yeti, if you guys have the Yeti, you guys already know that thing is heavy and it's crazy. But all right, guys, this is Devin Up. Throw them threes up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. Hopefully, I helped you. Hopefully, I helped you decide on to get this or not. But all right, guys, I'm out. Peace.